Oh, the little walking dude.
Very pretty though.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello. I'm FlowerChild V, and this is my husband.
Hello everyone.
And this is Chevy. And we are in the French River Provincial Park. It is winter time, so we had to cross the gate, but it's fine. You're still allowed to be here. French River Provincial Park is located approximately 50 minutes south of Sudbury. This is the trail we're doing. We're just doing a little walking trail. Yeah, come along with us. Don't have to worry about this right now. We honestly picked the perfect day to go out for a hike. The light was just right.
Very pretty though.
Hear the birds? Hey there. This hiking trail is actually an old portage around the falls, the Recollet Falls, which the trail is now named after. For generations, French explorers, voyageurs, fur traders, and First Nations have walked this trail. Down she goes!
Now in the hole.
Yeah, you gotta stay on trail here, or you're going in some deep snow. Very windy. Oh, let's not die. Keep going! No, we have an obstruction! Oh, how lucky we are to call this home. It's so magical.
Well, we're coming up to the French River now.
That's the river down there. Oh, found a spot that's not quite frozen. The river is a-flowing. I think we're there.
It's not really falls here, it's more or less a set of rapids. I don't know why they call it a set of falls. Ooh, super icy here on this decline. Gotta be.
I should have worn my ice picks. I knew I brought them, but
Maybe when you have to go uphill, yeah, put them on. Whee! Yeah.
Okay.
Chevy's just right going for the rapids.
He's like, right here, guys. I found the spot. Right here. Right here. See, right here, Mom.
Oh, she's coming back.
Okay.
You did it!
The French River flows 110 kilometers from Lake Nipissing to Georgian Bay and the Great Lakes.
It's a good chair. Let's get stoned right here.
Okay. Of course, the wind picks up now. I have a joint. I have no idea what's in it. I found color. This never happened. It's because I'm on horse now. Yeah, I have no idea what's in here. Mishmash.
Weed is weed. I will.
Oh, that smells good. It's a nice place to SESH for a little hike in. I'll have to look up. I don't remember how long the trail is. Put it there.
And we only seen really the one person at the entrance, but this whole trail, the whole time we were on the trail, we haven't seen anybody else. So we're the only ones out here right now.
Well, I mean, technically the park is like closed, like the gate is shut. But if you park your car by the gate, you could just walk in the wintertime. A lot of the parks run that way. So you don't have to pay that way because they're technically not open. But like you're allowed to come in, it's fine. We're not breaking any rules, it's okay. You just gotta work for it in the winter, that's all. Watch you don't ash my backpack there.
I know, pretty close. It's that Gregory brand.
Yeah, I actually made a video of what's in my day pack. If you want to watch that one, I have most of those things in my pack right now.
I'm bogarting this thing,
That's
so
okay.
here you go. Well, it's nice here.
Yeah, it's my first time here in the winter. Recommend. Not busy at all, it's great. Just gotta walk a little down the road before you get into the park, but honestly, we're not the first ones here. There's footprints everywhere.
The trail's nice and snow-packed.
Yeah, it's like single file, like you guys saw, but like it's packed. Like people have been here. It's being maintained. It's just you can't park in the park. And it's free.
There's a little bit of hills, but overall, like it's not really exerting whatsoever.
Well,
It's a nice little relaxed trail.
Yeah, it's a pretty chill trail. Nice view. And it's winter time, so we don't have to worry about the snakes. Fun fact: I fucking hate snakes.
This is rattlesnake country.
I've never actually seen a snake here, but like now that I say that, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see like 5 next time.
Never.
Okay, I've been lucky and have not seen it. But this is where they like to live. I think it died.
Yeah, it died.
It's a little windy.
Wind's picking up a little bit.
I mean, we are in the open, but yeah, I feel like it is picking up.
Good tote or what?
Did at that and the wind caught me off guard. Zip this back up. I have no idea what's in it.
It's a mishmash of shit.
I think it is. I rolled these a little while
Well,
ago.
it's not shit.
Oh my god, what are you doing,
She's
sweetie?
just having fun with this stuff.
Oh, you can't. You're gonna sit right in front of the camera?
Let it go out again.
I'm sorry, it's the wind. Chevy, I think you're right in front of the camera. Can you move a little bit? Nate, oh, are you cold? Like, it's not even that cold today. What's up? What's up, man? What's up?
Just wants to hang
You
out.
want love? Ow! I'm gonna knock my teeth out. We're gonna fall over.
She's gonna push you over.
She's a strong girl. What do you want? Lay down. Good girl.
She's almost done.
She's dead.
That's just what I
No.
needed, though.
Yeah, this was damn it, it's dying. It's dead. not gonna be able to do this. Can you? There's no way I can do this. Yeah, the wind is really picking up.
Yeah.
French River is home to that picturesque Canadian Shield landscape. This park is stunning in all seasons, and I recommend if you are ever in the area. After soaking in all the sights, it was time for us to head back. Alright, there's the building, which means we are pretty much back at the parking lot. Well, the summertime parking lot. We still have to walk back to the gate. Ooh, it's icy here. Okay, we still have to walk on the road back to the gate where our car is, but we are pretty much back. Yeah, we're back. Hope you enjoyed French River with us. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye-bye, La.
Just kidding, we're not done. I forgot about the beautiful snowmobile bridge, so here we are. We're gonna be on top of the French River. So in the summertime, you can like come walk here. In wintertime, it's the snowmobile trail, but...
And technically, we're not really supposed to be here, but...
We're being very careful. We're keeping an eye on Chevy. We don't hear anything, so it's okay. We're sticking to the edge. It's fine. French River Gorge, historic waterway to the west. This is the largest snowmobile bridge of its kind in the world. It is 512 feet long and 90 feet over the water. This is awesome.
The wind is legit shaking the bridge, like,
yeah, I know.
It's shaky.
Wow. Probably can't see it on camera because the GoPro's got a really good gyroscope, but like,
you feel it,
I
definitely.
I feel it, absolutely. We are being shooken. Cause yeah, we're
just the wind that you feel.
We're being held on by wires. Is this a suspension bridge?
I am not a bridge expert,
yeah.
But I would say yes.
Yeah, I think this is a suspension bridge. So yeah, we could be swaying. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye-bye, La.
Hi friends, welcome back to... Oh my god!
I was waiting for it.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Let's do that again.
Hi friends, welcome back.
Okay. Don't do it. She's like on your ass. She does not believe in personal space.
No, I'm a Chevy and I don't understand. Keep going. You're ruining my shot. Keep going. Oh my god, Chevy! You're gonna make me fall in one of these big holes. Look at this. What the fuck, man? Down she goes.
Down in the hole.
Oh my god. Oh! What? You are correct. Oh my god. Oh, I can't wait to look at that footage.
Trying to make sure you're still behind me.
Yeah, just some technical difficulties, but we're good now. The GoPros do not like the cold. They just do whatever they want. Are you recording? I can't tell. Hello? What's going on? Hold on. I can't tell. Yeah. Come on, slide this. God damn it. My husband died.
I died waiting for you.
The GoPro is giving me a hard time, okay?
I waited so long, I died.